All of us, dear physics, we will discuss about Newton's first law of motion. बहुत संभाल कर पढ़िएगा. This law predicts the qualitative definition of the force, which follows that a force is basic cause of motion. There are two parts of the statement. इसके दो स्टेटमेंट हमने बनाए. पहला, this predicts behavior of the stationary objects, and second, this predicts the behavior of moving objects. See here, एक बॉडी या एक रेस्ट में है और एक्सेलेरेशन जीरो, इट इज स्टेट रेस्ट. ऑब्जेक्ट दूसरी बॉडी है विच इज इन मोशन, यानी वेलोसिटी नॉट जीरो मीन्स इट इज इन मोशन, acceleration is zero, so stay in motion with the same speed and direction. Forces are balanced. जरा इसको समझिए. This law states that an object at rest tends to stay at rest. कोई बॉडी जो रेस्ट में है वो रेस्ट में ही रहना चाहती है. And an object in motion tends to stay in motion. अगर कोई बॉडी मोशन में है तो मोशन में ही रहना चाहती है with the same speed in the same direction unless it is compelled by some external unbalanced force to change that state. तो कोई बॉडी अगर रेस्ट में है तो रेस्ट में रहना चाहती है, अगर मोशन में है तो मोशन ही करना चाहती है जब तक कि उस पर कोई एक्सटर्नल फोर्स ना लगाया जाए. दिस इज न्यूटन्स फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ मोशन. Now, Newton's second law of motion. This law provides the quantitative definition of force. This gives the quantitative definition of force. What is this law? The law states that the rate of change of momentum of a body is directly proportional to the applied force, and this change takes place in the direction of the applied force. Okay, we know that momentum P is equal to mv. So according to the second law, force F is directly proportional to the rate of change of momentum is d upon dt of P, dp by dt. So F is proportional to d upon dt of P, F is proportional to d upon dt of mv, and it is proportional to m into dv by dt. So F is equal to constant k, m dv by dt. F is k m, this is acceleration a, so F is k m a. Now if m is 1, a is 1 and F is 1, then k will also be 1. In that situation, F is m into a. Remember, this is mathematical form of the Newton's second law of motion. The magnitude of the force F is m into a. The dimensional formula of force is m acceleration KLT minus 2 mLT minus 2. SI unit of force in MKS system, it is Newton. In CGS system, it is Dyne. And remember, 1 Newton is 10 to the power 5 Dyne.